This is Janet. She's just become a member of the crowdfunding community. Janet has an amazing idea for a business and has been looking for a way to crowdfund it without the hassle of online platforms or using sales, binaries, trading, coins, affiliate marketing, or joining an MLM. Luckily, Janet's friend, Brian, told her about a free portal that would connect her to the right people, and that was free to join. For those who might be new to crowdfunding, this is the practice of funding a project or venture by raising many small amounts of money from a large number of people, typically via the internet. This is what our portal helps Janet to do. Participation was easy. Janet only had to gather 2 envelopes, 2 stamps, 2 pieces of paper and $37 in cash before contacting her friend, who is also her sponsor. Brian then shows Janet how to donate to someone's crowdfunding campaign, and afterwards, she's have full access to her own crowdfunding options. Her first level crowdfunding donation is only $25. To activate her online account, Janet will also need to send a one-time donation of $12 to administration, which will provide her with full access to the site's back office area, updates, crowdfund tracking, team tracking, invite pages, and full administration support for the lifetime of her community crowdfund membership. All Janet had to do to start was enter her email and phone number below to join the community crowdfunding platform for free, and follow the instructions in her email. Now Janet has fully funded her business and is making a steady income. Don't wait. The sooner you get in, the better your chances to raise funding. The new crowdfund community, crowdfunding the simpler way.